Hello everyone, I have drawn a grid with a pencil. You can get a book of the grid too, but I have drawn a grid of 0.5 centimeter. I have taken two boxes to make my huge shape mountain. I have started with the left end and ended to the right end. And the inner one I have started leaving a little gap between from right, left and right. This is the way you can see. Inner one I have left a way little on the right and a little on the left too. Designs you can draw any plenty of designs. First you get practiced how to use grids and how to draw the where you have to start with, where you till what point mark you have to go. This was the same design, but inside we are doing it all in a same design. Mount U-turn, reverse U, we are drawing it in a design. Once you draw any design, from that only you can create multiple designs. Okay, I have drawn U, the broad U, and inside that I am drawing a diamond. The measurement, the grid I am following, till what level I am starting, at what point I am ending. Now in a single box only I am drawing the chakra type. Now reverse U, attaching two box I have to cut. Hope it is the video you can understand from where I have started and where I have ended. Now V-shaped mountain. This mountain I have drawn with the same again two boxes using the filling, the inside fillings and all. It depends on us. We want to create n number of design we can create. Later I am showing it in a different way. In this I have completely filled fillings. I have done it completely filled. Now I will be changing the design. This was a similar filling. Now I have just drawn inner up and down vertical mountains only, V shape, straight and reverse. So from this also you can draw multiple design V shape. Here I have took the 4 boxes to draw V. I have gone a little down of my margin. Then the end point of the V, I am going little down because I am drawing another line parallel to it. Whatever gap you have started from the start, follow that same parallel distance and go further. The filling, as I told that the filling we can do multiple design. So in this first I am doing it just a standing line. This I am doing inside the parallel. As we get a space up and down also, so we are filling that space. Follow the grid when we are filling or designing inside also. Now I have drawn circles in the parallel. Small circles in the parallel, and whatever the little gaps are there, that I'm filling it with the pen, so only the circle will be visible. If you want to leave upper and lower V-shaped design, I am leaving it empty. Now I am just making a parallel linings. The inside the lower V, we are following the same pattern of parallel line, and the above we are making a reverse parallel line. Both are lines only, but there is a difference between the line, how we are starting and how we are ending up. There is a difference in the strokes. Hope you can see the strokes difference. Now we are doing a pointed V in the same boxes. Before we have done using 4 boxes together. Now this one is pointed V. See the linings, I am drawing parallel lining. The opposite sides, once I am going down, and otherwise in second one I am going up, so the difference are visible. Now this design I am changing, or you can do filling. Or you can do reverse V inside. Just draw the same design what you have followed the design of V. It is there, straight and reverse. Now in this I am changing, just making a dot and standing line, dot and standing line. Here I am drawing arrow. The point where I am starting is same for all, just little gap from the top and ending little away from the bottom too. Once first in starting I am following that filling the arrows completely. One design you can do this in arrow, that you can fill it completely, or else you can make a circle, and the remaining space you can fill it. So in the arrow you can see the circle, and the remaining part we are filling it. So arrow with inner circle, it will be visible. These two pattern you can draw in the arrow. Whenever you are having two small space between the circle or any design, you can take this design, arrow design. Now we are making only parallel lines in the arrow. If your upper and in circle, when you are drawing it mandala or rectangle, above and down is a very completely filled design, or very close design. For that you can use this arrow design, so it will be not that fill and little empty space, so design will be visible between two different design. You are choosing any middle design. If you use little half only lining design, so between two design it will be much visible. Now I made a small triangle and filling that. In starting we have completely filled the triangle. Now I made a small little arrow and that filling. You can create n number of design. I'm just showing you few design, so you can try. Do comment how you like our video. I hope it is clear all the designs right now. Do follow us, and we are coming up with more designs. If the designs are clear,